because you lack attention. It's because you worship the 12 balls.
You've been playing me for long, with all these pictures all in your phone, like I would never ever know. Oh.
Oh, she's weird, dog. She's freaking weird, dog. Ladies first. Emma Chamberlain.
Shut up.
Oh God, Casey, you're just weird. We're here. We're here.
That was so disgusting.
Okay, that's not gonna go on the vlog.
Wait.
No, that is actually
All
gonna
their
go.
money into South, and then they use the rest.
They just forgot about North until they like reach $1 million. They're like, shit, we have $1 million, bro. Let's just make North. That's what they did. We're here because we're gonna watch my son's game. He played volleyball. Yeah. My son, Parth. If you guys don't remember him, don't worry. I don't remember him either. Okay, these are. Oh, she's coming. That's what she said. Anyways, let's go in for a second. Oh my God! Thank you, Emma Chamberlain. All right, so I don't think there's any tickets, right? No tickets. No tickets.
Tickets.
I mean, I'm talking about freaking. Go, 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 go.
Wait.
Why? Wait for what? Just go. Just go. So, wait, where's my son?
He's right there.
Oh shit, okay. That's my son, 22, okay? Son 22. You better just flipping suck, dude. We're just gonna watch that for a bit. Son, you better make me proud.
Why is he setting? Oh, just hit him.
He hit like once. Okay, whatever, Parth, whatever. So my son just did a really good shot. They scored. That's my son.
That's not your son.
By the way, that right there is my son. Bro, what are you doing? It's my son.
I didn't get it.
I got it. It's out though. Freaking Parth.
You served too fast.
And he served it too weird.
Where's Parth?
I don't know. I lost it.
He said it.
He's right there. So they lost their first game. I was expecting that, but I didn't want to say it. But okay, whatever. They lost their first game, now to the second game, right? Yeah, second game. So let's see what my son does. You know what, Emma Chamberlain, you're. Halftime, we're winning. We're home. Okay, this is basically halftime. Okay, you know what? I don't want to hear it. Okay, halftime. Okay, you know what? Halftime. We're winning. Alright. What? What now? What are you playing now?
A game.
Kaylee showed you that game?
No.
Oh, okay, whatever.
God, I wasn't recording. Halftime. We're losing. God.
Halftime would be 12:25.
Well, we were basically on 12.
We're on 16.
12-16. 12-16, dog. 12 and 16. God. Talk. So we kind of just like lost, fam. Like we kind of just lost. But it's okay. It was close. 0. Oh, he said that? He was that confident? Oh, damn. He's gonna die when he sees me at home. I'm gonna kill him. Oh, they're gonna do senior night right now, so. Do you want to stay till senior night? Or what?
I want to see Parth.
Well, yeah. No, I'm saying like, okay, whatever. Yeah. Okay, son. Okay, son. What did I teach you?
How much stuff went down?
What did I teach you, son? What did I teach you, son?
You're proud of you.
I'm not. You see me at home, I'll beat you up. I'm kidding. You did really good. You did really good. You did.
The whole time he was walking, he was like, I'm gonna go see my son.
Yeah.
I don't know how much I did to get here. What did he build?
Yeah.
7th period. And
Yeah.
so I asked
Yeah.
and then she
She
put it down.
It's my boy right there, my Tesla boy right there. He owns a Tesla.
The next time we will honor under 12 brand
It's my boy. My boy Angel.
But they got
You guys already know him.
The next speaker is number 9.
Yeah.
Angel Bullets.
Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna find out.
His future is going to South Sub, studying in computer science.
That's the team. Oh,
At this time, we will honor the managers, Liz.
Alright, well, we're not gonna watch Varsity, we're just gonna go. He was all the way down there. God, I think I'm moving this whole thing. We're just gonna dip. I know he got his clothes, so I'm pretty sure he's gonna go change. But still, I'm not sure. Holding the door for you, fam.
Me?
You're welcome.
I can hold the door for myself. I'm an independent woman.
That was funny. Yeah, so we were just talking about smashing the windows. That's not my friend's car. Angel's car, and just right. It's a prank. That'd be a funny prank, dog. Yeah. No, we're gonna go watch Kaylee, or we're gonna do something dumb with Ashley. No, Kaylee. Right? Kaylee. You suck though. It's okay. We'll still support you. Hey, here's the thing. Oh my god, I think I know where the court's at, but I'm not sure. So you might have to tell me, okay?
Okay.
All right.
No.
God, you made it seem like such a big deal.
Because it is a big deal.
God,
Because this is not.
a normal hair tie. It's a legendary hair tie, right?
Maybe it is.
God. So we're at Kaylee's practice here.
I think she does. I hope she doesn't. I hope we surprise her.
Where is she?
I'll try.
God, you smell like a really fresh shower. What? Because you were walking in front of me and the wind blowed? Oh, I see Riley. I see Kaylee. That's Kaylee right there. Kaylee is really that short? Are you serious, fam? Bro, I just realized that. Kaylee is honestly super short. Bro, she still doesn't over here. She goes, "Boo." I don't think her dad even knows. Oh my god.
Why are you guys here?
Why not?
Yeah, you don't want us here?
Guy, you're wrong. Turn off the camera.
Whoa, it's wet.
I can see you from a mile away.
Yeah.
You both pulled up and I was like, I see Riley. I was dying laughing.
Wow, it's so weird. Enjoy practice. I was just here for content. That's it. There's no content. There's no content. Alright, so I just dropped Casey off at her house. She lives right by the school. But look how many freaking cars are here. Like, dude, it's freaking 6 o'clock and all these cars. Like, I mean, you guys might not feel like it's a lot of cars, but for me, it's like a lot. And it's like over here, it's just everywhere. Dog. That lady looked at me like, what the hell is this kid doing? Let's go home. Let's talk about something important. Yeah, let's go. So as I said, guys, I'm home and I gotta talk to you guys about something. And trust me, I know you guys don't like when I talk to you guys like this because it gets super boring. But here's the thing, if you're gonna leave, hear this before you leave, okay? I'm gonna upload videos 2 days a week. Tuesday and Thursday. I know this video came out a little late because I fell asleep and it's pretty hard, okay? So you can leave after this. So whatever I'm gonna say after this is just gonna be explaining. So you guys still watching? Yeah. So I mean, you're not even here. Okay, whatever. Well, at least subscribe. I mean, you're not even watching. Whatever. Oh, okay.
Subscribe.
Do that.
Now you're running all over the floor. Could you do this to me on my birthday? While you up in the club at the mall. So take your shit, girl, and get out my door. I hope you